Today I came with 20 important questions of a CHO Community Health Officer एग्ज़ाम। आपको भी मेरे साथ क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने हैं और लास्ट में आपको खुद का एवेल्यूएशन करना है। ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ आवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। सिक टेस्ट इज यूज्ड फॉर, सो हियर आवर राइट आंसर इज diphtheria. Sick test is used for diphtheria. Sick test developed in 1930 in that diphtheria toxin is administered in intradermal to check whether the person is susceptible to diphtheria or not. Okay, so here our right answer is diphtheria. Then second one, reconstitute BCG vaccine is used within. So here our right answer is 6 hours. Reconstitute BCG vaccine is used within 4 to 6 hours. So here our right answer is 6 hours. Then this logo is for, so look at this logo, and this logo is used for leprosy eradication control program. So here B is our right answer. This logo is used for leprosy eradicated program. Okay, then RCH phase 2 begin in, so here our right answer is 1st April 2005. RCH reproductive child health second phase is begin in 1st April 2005. There are some important strategies in the second phase of RCH. First one is a essential obstetrical care, second one is a emergency obstetrical care, and third one is a strengthening the referral services. So these three are important component for RCH phase 2. The next, it is a voluntary scheme where any obstetrical and gynec specialist maternity can voluntarily and provide a free distribution of iron, folic acid and TT injection. So this scheme is come under the Vande Mataram scheme. Okay, so Vande Mataram scheme, it is a program that dedicated to mother, was launched on 9th February 2004. So it is a dedicated to the mother. Okay, then this is a logo of, so here this one is a logo of DOTS therapy. So your right answer is a DOTS therapy. Okay, this one is a logo of DOTS therapy, pura course pakka ilaj. Okay, this is a slogan of DOTS therapy. Then this is a symbol of, so this is a symbol of breast cancer. So here our right answer is breast cancer. Okay, so pink ribbon is used for breast cancer and red ribbon is used for AIDS. Okay, then Janani Suraksha Yojana launched in, so here our right answer is 12th April 2005. First case of AIDS detected in India. So here our right answer is 1986. Okay. HIV infection in India was first detected in 1986 among the female sex workers in Chennai, and in all over world first case is detected in the US in June 5, 1981. Then PPT-CT program comes under, so here our right answer is National AIDS Control Program. PPT-CT means prevention of a parental to child transmission. It comes under the National AIDS Control Program, and this one is a symbol of PPT-CT. Okay, then Kala Azar also known as, so here our right answer is black fever. Kala Azar is also known as a black fever. Monday fever, so it is known as biocinosis, which is a one kind of occupational disease. Then breakbone fever, it is known as dengue fever. Okay, the National Kala Azar Control Program was initiated by the Government of India in 1990 to 1991 with a sodium antimony gluconate as a main drug used for a treatment of a cases, and DDT for a vector control. Okay, and then Japanese encephalitis transmitted via which mosquito? So here our right answer is Culex mosquito. Japanese encephalitis is transmitted via Culex mosquito. Here Anopheles is responsible for a malaria transmission. Then Aedes aegypti is responsible for a dengue transmission. Okay, and then Asian tiger mosquito, it is also known as Aedes albopictus, which is a primary vector for a chikungunya. Okay. Then Hansen disease is also known as. So here our right answer is leprosy is also known as Hansen disease. The next question, enteric fever caused by. So here our right answer is Salmonella typhus. Enteric fever, it is also known as a typhoid, and the causative organism of a typhoid is a Salmonella typhus. Okay, here Plasmodium falciparum is the causative organism of malaria. Then M. lepra is a causative organism of leprosy, and Bordetella pertussis is a causative organism of pertussis. Next, leishmaniasis transmitted through. So here our right answer is sandfly. Leishmaniasis is also known as Kala Azar. It is caused by the parasite and the main characterized by irregular fever, swelling of a spleen and liver, and it leads to anemia. Okay. Then all are STD except. So here our right answer is encephalitis. Syphilis, chlamydia, HPV means human papilloma virus. These three are STD, but encephalitis is inflammation of a brain layer, so it is not STD. Okay. Then all are the first line drug regimen for a tuberculosis except. So here our right answer is linezolid. In a first line drug regimen, it includes the rifampicin, isoniazid, pyrazidamine, ethambutol, and streptomycin. So here our right answer is linezolid. It comes under the second line regimen. The next question, VDRL is a diagnostic evaluation for. So VDRL is a diagnostic evaluation for a syphilis. Okay, VDRL means Venereal Disease Research Laboratory. What is the use of this medication? So here you look one images of a medication. This is a nevirapine, and this is a treatment of antiretroviral therapy. Okay, it is a treatment for HIV AIDS. Okay, DOTS is used for tuberculosis. AKT is also used for tuberculosis. So this nevirapine is used in a ART medicine. Then what is the human helpline number? This one is the last question. So woman helpline number is, here our right answer is 1091. Okay. So 101 is a helpline number for a fire, 1097 is a helpline number for a AIDS, and 1078 is a helpline number for a disaster management. Okay. So here our right answer is 1091. So here we completed our 20 important questions for all CHO exam, and please put your marks in a comment box